I need to introduce y'all to something new. You haven't heard anything about the Dodge Charger RT, so where the hell has this car been? Full color flowing headlights, LEDs with the diffuser so you don't see the individual LEDs. This is important, so I want to show y'all this. My squad, what's up, man? Where y'all at? Where y'all been, man? Miss y'all boys. I know it's been about 2 days since you've seen a video from me, so I know you guys miss me too. That being said, the reason why I'm jumping on this right now, man, is because I need to introduce y'all to something new, kind of a new direction, a new wave, because I'm bringing y'all a little bit more closer to the different sides of Steph. As the host of this channel, there's always changes that a person goes through, you know what I'm saying? There's always different directions that they decide that they want to take. A lot of times as creators, we don't always bring y'all on those different journeys and directions. But this is important. A few months ago, I told you guys that I bought a Dodge Charger RT. Since that time, you haven't seen it on the channel. You see me post up about the Hellcat, gray Charger Hellcat twin turbo, me driving Porsches, my Porsche, but you haven't heard anything about the Dodge Charger RT. So where the hell has this car been? What is going on, Steph? What are you keeping from us? Well, as you guys know, the car went over to Audio Zone to my man, Audio Cap. They were customizing the car and everything was going well. And then nothing, no more videos, right? Completely understandable, man. Things happen. At the end of the day, it happens. Business happens, whatever. There's ups, there's downs, but man, is it a high note that I'm about to end on right now. And I'm so excited to bring you guys with me and introduce the newest member of the channel, Big Perk. Yes, sir, man. That's right. Big Perk. That's right. That black base model Dodge Charger RT that you guys saw me take delivery of has now turned into this nasty wide body purple. And it's not plum crazy. It's a little crazier than plum crazy. Widebody Charger, which is now the newest addition to the channel. So what all did we do to this car? This car, not only is it wide body, not only is it a custom purple color, the car has full color flowing headlights, LEDs with the diffuser so you don't see the individual LEDs. It has halo rings around the projectors. The car has full color flowing underglows on it, as you guys saw, all the different, you know, honestly, it's a beautiful setup. You know what I'm saying? It's just a beautiful setup all the way around. And I'm so excited to have this on the channel, man. And so excited to continue to do more with it. That's not it. We're not done. We still have more to do. I'm going to show you more details of the interior in the next video because we still have more things that we got to do to it. It's not completely done. There's still just a few options that's happening. We're changing up a little something with the wheels. It's just so much more to come, man, with this car. I'm just really excited to have it here, and I'm excited to have you guys see me go through it. I know you guys think it looks crazy, because it does, man, and you got to see it in person. In person, it's even sexier. Yo, listen, man, I need y'all support. Right now, go visit moddefame.com. We got some new merch up there, like this black camo that I got on right now. This joint is fire. I've been getting compliments on this at a car show right now. Anyway, go check it out right now, moddefame.com. But anyway, back to the video. But listen now, Mod Squad, please, can we just take a moment and appreciate what's happening here on Mod Fame channel, bro? And my commitment to bringing y'all amazing Mopar content that you can look at, learn from. Let's talk about it, bro. The world's only manual transmission twin turbo Hellcat. World's only. You feel? Then right here, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck. Could I have gotten a scat or something and did this? Yes, I could have got a scat and did this. But let's keep it real, bro. What do majority of people have? Majority of people have RTs, XSX, SXTs. You know what I'm saying? That's what the majority of people have. So what's more relevant? If I'm gonna do it for Mopar, let me do it for everybody. I already got the best that they make. I got the best that they make, the Hellcat. The Hellcat is it. You know what I'm saying? Whether you want to say Red Eye, Demon, whatever the case may be, ultimately, it all comes down to a Hellcat-based vehicle. That's what those all are. And then in addition to that monster, bro, we just built this. Come on, man. We just built this. This car is sick, bro. The look of it, the way we planned it all out, working with AudioCat to get it done, first hitting up AutoTempest and believing in us to say, all right, cool, yeah, let's do another project. Let's make something happen. I mean, come on, man. Working with the best, you feel? All the way around, y'all. All the way around. When I'm serious about something, I'm serious all the way. I don't play. So just talking about the history of the channel, we launched the channel in 2017 January with this car right here, my Porsche Panamera Turbo. But then we added the Hellcat, aka we called it Cheapo Kitty, because at the time it was the cheapest one in the country, at $45,000, which was a crazy deal, and still a deal today is what this car would be. And y'all watch the journey of me building this car little by little, step by step, you know what I'm saying, to the point of where it is now, which is, you know, 1,200 horsepower. At the touch of a button, I can choose which one I want to do. And now we just finished a crazy Widebody Charger build. Man, just taking a moment, man, to appreciate and respect the process, man, because progress is a slow process, but sure to bring ultimate success. You feel me? So one thing I gotta say though, 100% this is for you guys. This right here, all that I'm doing, this is for you guys, because there's no way possible I'll be able to do it without you. I probably wouldn't even go down this road if it wasn't for you guys. But you guys kind of showed me the way. You showed me the way with your views, your comments, your appreciation for what I teach you. This channel is very educational when it comes to modifying Mopars. Well, boys, that's it, man. Big Perp is here to stay. Tell me what you think right now in the comments all about Big Perp, man. Tell me what you feel. Tell me what you like. Tell me how we did. Anyway, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod to Fame. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, hit that bell notification so you don't miss no more videos going forward. But until the next one, it's your boy Stephen here from Mod to Fame. And about to rip it in Big Perp. We out. We out.